Hi there, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel, Best Life Lee. I finally broke down and ordered a trunk from Trunk Club, and you give them an idea of what you're looking for. I picked the Summer Essentials trunk, so I know pretty much what's in here, and I'll show you. For some reason, there's a lot of undergarments in this one. I don't know why. I was like, whatever. So there's some jewelry, I think there's a pair of sandals and a pair of pants, white pants, and a couple of shirts. I'll show you what I have, try on a couple pieces. Here's what's in the box. And I'll take it out one at a time. Show you. This is a vest. This is a thong. These are the white pants. A strapless bra. A t-shirt bra. This is a necklace. Let's see what that looks like. This is some earrings. These are like underpants. This is a shirt. Looks nice. It's a V-neck. This is another shirt, I think. This looks different. This is a top with some kind of a cactus print. Oh, these are some sunglasses. And these are my Tory Burch sandals. This is and this is another Tosh. It says, "Hi Lisa, summer is here and so is your new wardrobe. Happy Trunk Day. I packed you some fun, versatile pieces for the spring and summer that are definite essentials. Be sure to check out the outfits I styled for you too. I hope you enjoy these pieces as much as I enjoyed packing them for you. You'll be ready to enjoy the summertime sun in these outfits and get some compliments as well. I'll reach out soon to hear your thoughts and help with exchanges or checking out through the app. Whatever you need. Have fun. Chat soon, Ash." All right, Ash. Let's see how you did. Okay, so here's outfit number one. Here are the pants. And these are the sandals. These are Tory Burch. And they are very, very cute. I like them. I like them with the frayed edges of these pants. I do like these pants. These pants are girlfriend, it seems. They have a button waist. I think it's a little shorter than what I would have preferred, but I think it's very wrinkled. Obviously, very wrinkled, but it has a nice V-neck and a cute little sleeve. I'm not big on it. The necklace is adorable. It's a Kendra Scott and it's beautiful. And the earrings, I really, really like them a lot. There's nothing too fancy about it, but I really, really like them. Shirt, so not sure that this is, I like the color. So this shirt is actually kind of cute. It's kind of cute in the back. It's got a little bit of length. It's really, really cute. I like the little sleeves. I like that it's a little bit of a dot, and it's very cool. I have it open right now, but I could definitely button it up. I'm gonna try it on with the vest that I got because it's got that green in it. I already have. Okay, so this vest is really nice. It's very soft. It's not stiff in any way. It has the little ties inside, so you can pull it as tight as you want. It has a zipper and snaps. I really like this. I like pieces that come down nice in the back, nice and low in the back. And I just love the feel of this. This feels really nice. So yeah, I mean, even though I already have a green vest, this is the most expensive piece, I think. This is Treasury and Bond, and I think it's like $99 for summer, but definitely fall and winter even. So yeah, I like the white jeans. I'm definitely gonna buy these white jeans. Cute little top. It's different, and I'm gonna get that, and I'm gonna get 100% sold on the sandals. I think I have so many pairs of sandals that I'm just not gonna get these right now. And here's the sunglasses. I actually really like these sunglasses. I don't think they're kind of big, but I don't think they're too big for my face. I think they look pretty cool. I am going to get these sunglasses too. Okay. Oh, I am actually keeping the majority of the things I got in this trunk, which is great. I am going to tell you what I am keeping, and I actually am going to keep this one bra. It's so cute and it's so comfortable, and it is by Lively, but it's so comfortable that it's well worth it. And I am going to keep the underwear because what the hell, it's my size. I didn't even try it on, but you can always replenish your underwear. So TMI, no. So what I am keeping, and I will tell you, so I'm keeping the Be Smooth Briefs, Softest Stretch Modal Thong, the Carolina High Waist Ankle Skinny Jeans, the Cactus Embroidered Hilltop Swiss Dot Shirt, the 55mm round sunglasses, the Linen Blend Utility Vest, the Argento Vivo Endless Hoop Earrings, the t-shirt bra, the Eliza pendant necklace by Kendra Scott. It's so pretty. I love it. I didn't like the strapless bra, so I'm returning that. I'm returning the ruffle sleeve V-neck top, that one that was in teal, which is actually a color I do like, but it just was not long enough. And the Pin Dot Blooms tie sleeve silk top, that's going back, and the flip-flops are going back by Tory Burch. I actually was very pleased with the products and the items in here. So yeah, it's a splurge. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope I've inspired you to maybe try a trunk from Nordstrom and the Trunk Club, trunkclub.com. I'll link it below. And yeah, this was fun. Thanks, guys. Take care, and if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions for what you might like to see me do in a future video, please leave it below in the comments. Thanks again. Take care. Bye for now.